One of the hardest things about a divorce isn't losing your marriage. It's losing you, who you thought you were. Losing years and probably decades. You had a title, husband, wife, partner. You had a routine. You had plans and it made sense. You had a picture in your life, picture in your mind how your life would go for the rest of your life. And then one day, poof, gone. Quietly, you're sitting in a house wondering what the F happened. A lot of Gen X people are going through this. Someone betrayed. Somebody grew apart. Somebody stayed too long. Left too soon. You can't win. And almost all of them carry regret. Maybe you wish you'd fought harder. Maybe you wish you had left sooner. Maybe you should have paid more attention or listened. Truth is, you can't rebuild your future by constantly putting your energy into rewriting the way that it used to be. You can't do that. It's impossible. At some point, you have to accept what happened. You don't have to approve of it. You don't have to like it. But acceptance is key. Acceptance is where rebuilding begins. I know people who got divorced and spent the next 10 years angry. That was me. I know people who got divorced and built the best years of their life. Also me. Difference is not what happened to them. Difference is what they decided to do next. One of the strange gifts of divorce is freedom. Not freedom to go crazy. Freedom to figure out who you are. What do you enjoy? What do you want? What kind of life do you want to live from this point on? What dreams did you put on hold that you can start again for years? For the first time in a long time, you get to answer those questions for yourself instead of taking care of everybody else. There's gonna be lonely days. Write it down. Days where you question everything. Days where you miss the familiar. Even if the familiar was making you miserable, you're gonna miss it. And that's normal. Do not confuse loneliness with failure. It's a totally different thing. Sometimes loneliness is just part of the rebuilding. At 57 though, I've learned something extremely important. Life doesn't end when you close a chapter. Life keeps moving, hopefully, until you're dead. Whether you're 40, 50, 60, or older, you still have time to build something beautiful. Morning, buddy. You still have time to get healthier. You still have time to make a new life and a new friends, to fall in love, start the business, create a life that you're excited about, to get up early because you want to. The divorce may have ended your marriage and some of your dreams, but that doesn't end your story, man. If you're starting over like me, please follow along. Type I'm in below. I'm an accountability coach. My contact information is in the bio. If you want somebody to help you, reach out to me at erichobaugh. I do one-on-one coaching. Also offer a lower cost check-in support call system as well. Please go watch the next video. Got a lot more to say on how to rebuild your life. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.